Next, some real world skills that you should be focusing on as you are going through your education to be the best healthcare administrator you can be. When you finally get out there in the field, you need to be focusing on your problem solving skills in real time. So, as a healthcare administrator, you're going to be faced with so many different challenges. You need to know how to handle them, and you're not going to get them from books. Trust me. You're going to face staffing shortages, IT glitches, patient complaints is a big one, even ethical issues, and a lot of the interfacing that you do with your team and whatnot. So, collaborating with clinical staff, with other administrative staff, and addressing a lot of those type of concerns, dealing with maybe logistics and things like that will come up. So problem solving skills is a must. Oftentimes, you would be the go-to person for different crises that happen. When different crazy things may happen in a facility, you don't look at the doctor to know what to do. You have to look at the administrators, the ones who are managing the space, right? So that would be you. So problem solving skills, something you're not really necessarily going to develop in college. You may read about it in a book, but for the most part, you have to start focusing on developing those skills right now while you're working or you're volunteering and you're dealing and interacting with people. You also need to build your communication skills. And of course, your leadership skills. As an administrator, even if you are in an entry-level position, you're still part of the staff that runs the operation of the facility, right? No matter what title you have, you need to be a leader. You need to develop those leadership skills. You have to be able to communicate really well. You have to work with HR. You have to be able to manage people. You have to be able to work with clinicians. You have to be able to work with other administrative staff, other different tech people all around you. And also you might be working with the public. You might be interfacing with patients or just the general public as well. So conflict resolution. Okay. Work on communicating, work on your interpersonal communication skills. So what are the rewards? Why should you want to be a healthcare administrator? There is a lot of satisfaction and rewards that come from creating systems that positively impact patient care. Okay, patient care is very important, and healthcare is super important. Even though you're not a clinician, you're not hands-on working on a patient, you are so much because you're the backbone, right? You are the backbone. You're probably not the one doing everything, but you're playing a role in making sure that everything operates as it should so that the people who are doing the healing or the working on the patients, they can do their job properly. It should be a very rewarding experience knowing that you are part of that. You are the ones making it possible for the clinicians to do what they need to do for the patient. Building strong leadership skills and team relationships is also a very rewarding thing. It's when you are helping and you're leading and a team in a positive direction, it feels great. It's very satisfying. You get more out of it than you expect. It's not just a paycheck anymore at this point. You're making a difference. You're contributing to the success of a healthcare facility that is hopefully helping a lot of people. So in conclusion, healthcare administration can be dynamic, fast-paced career, a lot of challenges, a lot of rewards. And if you're passionate about making healthcare better from the inside out, being a healthcare administration is definitely your calling. You just need to figure out where you fit in the whole system. So with that, Have a wonderful, wonderful day.